Nicoco Yukari. Oh. Oh no, I'm effing. Oops. What's wrong on taking us home? And you guys want to flirt with Naui? Guys, it's been a 5-hour and 22-minute stream. The next time I'm gonna see you will be tomorrow, and tomorrow we're going to do unagi. Unagi. You want to flirt with Rachel? Who does 10-hour stream? Name me a streamer that does 10-hour stream. Okay, don't. There's a lot. Only 5 hours. You just got here. Oh, hi Betty. Could be you. Contemplating all the tub girls. Goodbye, chat. Elisa streaming? Oh yeah, she is streaming. I'm gonna meet up with Elisa. I did! The barista guy just wasn't in.
Machiavelli. Bitches come and go, bro. But you know I stay.
Exilius! Welcome back, Exilius. Thank you very
Raiding
much.
already? Wood face.
Nice to have you back. Fashionably late? Yeah! I feel like Exilius always join in when I'm about to end stream. What's the meaning of this, Exilius? Literally. Unless you've just been lurking. Wait, how do you spell it again? A-B-G... Elisa? Did I spell it right? It's the time zone? Yeah, I think I spelled it right. Am I rating? Oh no, I spelled it wrong. There we go. Goodbye! I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow be another day. Okay? Bye, chat. Good night, everyone. Bye bye. I'll see you all for the Friday stream. Don't cry, it's gonna make me cry. Ugh. I do, that's why I've been streaming every day. Bye bye. Bye bye. Appreciate everyone for tuning in and chilling with me. I'll see you guys all in the tomorrow stream. Bye. Say hi to Lisa.